beautiful wickless candle on both of these minutes. 5 minute, giving us another wickless. I probably will throw a buy limit sitting in this candle. I have no doubt that is exactly where buy limit will go. What do we see and how do we know reversal other than that double bottom that's sitting down there? Rejection, inverse, not an inverse, but a sweep of 4-hour time frame. And is this perfectly aligned with some form of displacement? I would say yes. This low, yes, this is placed, this last displacement giving you a rejection indicator. 5 minutes have pushed up. And Q not as safe so far, just because this 5 minute after this tweezer. But like we've seen, rejection sitting right there. I'm gonna put a buy limit in on S&P. So I have a buy limit sitting in rejection for high resistance on gold, and a sell limit on rejection for rejection from high resistance on gold, and a buy limit in this wickless, this high of the wickless and this 75. I will definitely go a little bit higher, put it into this fair value of this. That in my mind would be a dragonfly. So then go back up to highs. I wait, annoyingly so. Strong divergence. The second divergence is where I will enter. Aggressive is what I'm doing. Let's see. Can you speed up in your head? Probably. I'm probably my dick. I want to target the high. I want to see Tokyo and London. I've seen this before. Deviate all of Sydney and then push to previous day highs, especially during a bullish SMT or bullish divergence, should I say. So we go on the 1 hour, and I'd like to see this rejection send us above all these highs after it comes and balances this nasty divergence for some reason you decided not to be a part of. Don't miss. I'm knowing, dude.
Order filled.
And my buy limit has been touched. We also see rejection from this 4-hour liquidity sweep, or draw on liquidity, should I say, from previous London. Should be a good watch. Great entrance. Great entrance. This could be an A plus for me. I will happily say this is an A plus. Buy limit is in. I have 2 A pluses sitting there. 2 A pluses sitting nice and pretty with you. And it looks like the market says, hey buddy, we know what we're doing, we know where we're going. This should just send you right back up. Great job, great seed, great find. Continuation after this long hanging man says, what's up? Thanks for being, thanks for doing, thanks for hanging, gang. Now shut the foot up and enjoy the foot out the market, young boss. Will do, young boss. Now, I really just want to see it reach for highs and deviate, so I'm not gonna do too much with the sell limit. I can see profit points A, B, C, D, but I really want to see F is way higher than this, just to let you know. I just want to see a higher high, a new all-time high get pushed for. Complete deviation is what I will initially look for, just to, and a sweep in the 4-hour, and a sweep in the 4-hour time frame. Do we have this? Is a 4 hour sitting here? No. We can go to 1 hour though. Sweeping this 1 hour, so I will look for a push to 75, 73 being my potential exit, just to say an exit. But like I said, I've sat with a swing of longs before during all-time high pushes. I feel like that's the most radical and furthest from primitive when it comes to making decisions during all-time highs. So that trail and trace technique, that's probably going to be what we look for. I'll put a sell limit here and a sell stop down in this liquidity range, being this what would this be, a spinner, I guess, and watch it work. I don't see it reaching down lower than this, honestly. And I will trail and trace and just sit and wait. Real fast, just to look at NQs, just to get a good understanding of our SMT. Beautiful rejection, double, not even. We got a double bottom on S&P. A plus is exactly what this is. Great job sitting and waiting for deviation. Could have caught both. Will catch both. That's a promise to self. I know I do it. I know I can go to these fucking Solana cop motherfuckers and just smile all the fucking time and not have to fucking do it. Man, it'll be good. NQ's push is nasty. A little bit slower on the S&P on the S&P side of the story, but completely normal. S&P was the first person, not the first, but the first SMT to pave the road. We should see a push up to NQ's high, as we are expecting from S&P to then again pave another road after this 5656. And now that we are in on S&P, I will switch this over while I watch over and check on both divergences. Oop. Great hour reversal. No issue, no stress. As I said, 8 plus. Body. Silver's divergence is creeping up as is gold. See that roll being paved? That bullish spinner. Go get right back up there, and a wickless bullish candle. Gold gives you a double bottom with the SMT diversions back up to highs. Like I said, probably could have sat in that deviated reversal. Good job. feel like I can see this 4 hour candle get completely reversed with that lower liquid sitting below and then a little wick at the top just for either an inverse of the next four or a touch of the last the bullish wick to then continue up to highs. Oh my goodness. NQ's 5 minute is nasty. What are we doing, S&P? What's going on? NQ's 5 is crazy. Beautiful wickless candle. We definitely will see S&P push. Reach! Let's go. Reach above that high. Bull, unless this bearish is annoying. Rejection, double bottom from bulls. Wick, no, you're fine. Wickless, yeah. Wickless, yeah. That is movement. Gold just dropped below its SMT as well. Oh, 7, new hour. What's up, Tokyo? How y'all feeling today? Good. Do you see the deviation that's ahead of us? Yes. Okay. Beautiful. Let's get it up. Let's go. I'm glad you're seeing the deviation that we need to go be a part of. That's a lot of liquor for our highs, isn't it? It sure is. You know it is. Go get that high. Cool. Hey, what you doing? Why that hour reverse on me? Flip that hour again for me right fast. Tokyo, what's going on? What's going on, Tokyo?
Tokyo, get this shit up.
Nah, this is normal. Just a drop into displacement, just to continue with its bulls. Like I said, this bearish double bottom, cough. This bullish double bottom, displacement, come tap, get up to highs, deviation with a lot of liquidity that needs to get pushed above. You also had a break of trend line, a touch, and oh no, I lost. Oh, I got edged. This would be a bad loss. I definitely did see A plus out of this. Hey, why didn't I get stopped out? Oh, it's lower. Why are you low? well, and well. I'll go $500 limit. Dang it. Be okay with drawdown. Completely normal, especially with openings of the new. We definitely can see CISD give us manipulation down the lows, then continue with his bulls. There's a lot of liquid is up there. Unless it needs to go grab support, which I have high doubt over. You shouldn't see bears. You shouldn't see shorts during all-time highs. Below this displacement, that is completely normal. Come touch support, continue to go back up. Unless you do fulfill the gap, which will be annoying, but not mad about it at all. That gap gives me a long entrance, and I don't want to say that either, because it's like, yeah, well, gotcha, boy. So no, you're not going lower. You got rejected. So yeah, okay. So yeah, that's what I thought. Tokyo's gold push is disgusting. NQ's SMT is why I will not be pulling out of this ES trade. We did fall below lows on S&P, but NQ's is too high. Dilate. Dang it. This could be a dilation to then continue. No, I want to see divergence, bro. This could be rejection. And I'm going with a 300 loss limit. I'll wait till it pushes back into that 3. And I really did want to see this whole stop loss get 8, but $300 is probably where you should stop, especially on the 500K. I mean, not 500K, 50K. An attempt.
Order filled.
And I'm gone.